Come walk with me. Hopefully I won't get lost. I am out on one of the trails that runs behind my house. It's about 1.5 miles. But there was a big tree that fell, so it redirected me. And I usually stay on the same trail. So come with me and let's walk. It's been raining for a couple days here, which we desperately needed, so I'm certainly not complaining. But everything's a little bit slick, and I haven't been able to get out. And that's one of my favorite things to do, is just getting out into nature and just, I guess, feeling God's presence. I just feel so close to Him out here. And I also truly, I shouldn't say believe, I know that coming out here, it just, it raises your frequency, it raises your energy, and it helps you with the negative stuff going on in your life. So anytime I'm struggling, this is usually, this in conjunction with prayer is what I do. What's your go-to thing? What's your go-to thing when you're struggling and you have a challenge in your life? When you need answers? When you have questions that are just unsettling? Oh, well, here's another tree. I'd only walked this trail maybe a week or so ago, and all these trees were not down. So, must have come down yesterday. I don't know if you can see that. So, at least they didn't redirect me this time. So, what's your go-to thing when you need to find balance, when you have stress in your life? Certainly plenty of things going on in the world. Are you able to shut things out? Like worldly things, are you able to shut it out and just keep within your circle? Keep within your, your circle of influence, your friends, your family. Oh, how super cute. Let me see, check this out. My youngest daughter, if we would see something like that on our walk when she was younger, hopefully you saw it, she would convince me that a fairy lived there. She loved fairies. I miss that. Sometimes I miss my kids when they were young. So simple. I love watching them grow, and I love watching who they're becoming. But I do miss that a little bit. Though I do have a granddaughter who's only 8 months old. Yes, 8 months. So the fun times are right around the corner again. Looking forward to that. All right, so tell me what your go-to thing is. Always looking for new ideas. Is it journaling? Is it calling a friend? Is it sitting in silence? Is it going to get a big ice cream? That sounds good. I hope you're all having a great day. And we will talk again soon. I love you.